Hey there, we are halfway through our current development cycle here at Kajabi, and so I wanted to film a quick update video to let you know what the team is working on. Now, I think personally this is my favorite update video of all time. You can quote me on that because the things I'm going to share with you today are extremely exciting, and I know they're going to be exciting for you and your business. So the current development cycle we're on here is called Forwarder. And the goal of this cycle is just to help you move forward with your business, to really get it to the next level. And so everything here is designed to do just that. So this first one is kind of a lot of features around the Kajabi Assistant. Now the Kajabi Assistant isn't new. You probably know what that is. That's that search bar that's at the top of every single page inside the Kajabi admin. But the search bar is designed to get you where you want to go quicker inside the admin, so you're not clicking around a bunch and hunting for things. And I wanted to point out that this assistant is actually even more valuable now that we have the redesigned sidebar that's open to everybody. Everybody sees the new sidebar, I think as of a couple days ago when you're watching this. But I want to tell you one thing about that sidebar. The sidebar was designed to make it less daunting for people to get to know Kajabi and to kind of learn how everything's laid out. And it's a really simple way of laying out the admin, and we love it, and I know our customers love it. But for some of you, you know exactly where you want to go, and you might think, well, now that new sidebar layout introduced some more clicks. It kind of slows down my process to get to where I want to go. And so I want to tell you a hint here that you might not have noticed about the Kajabi Assistant. But when you click on the assistant or you hit Control-K to open up the assistant, it shows you a quick jump, and this quick jump lists out all of the items that used to be in that left sidebar, and actually even more. So when you get used to it, it's actually faster than the old way to get to where you want to go. You can just hit Control-K, or on a Mac you could do Command-K as well. It pulls up the quick jump, and then you can click exactly where you want to go. And so that's the default screen now for the Kajabi Assistant. And I want to take this opportunity to give a shout out to one of our heroes named Anthony. Anthony kind of brought to our attention that this new sidebar kind of restricted his ability to move quickly around the admin. And so we listened to Anthony and kind of used him as a representation of all our power users. And we wanted to make sure that our power users weren't stifled by the new simple design. And so because of that feedback, thanks Anthony, we designed this quick jump, which now, in his words, is even better than the old way. And we've noticed it in here too. We're just like, wow, this is actually, how did we live without this? Because now it's just a quick keystroke and a click, and you're anywhere you want to be inside the assistant. Another improvement to the assistant is searching help articles. You've always been able to kind of search help articles, but we've improved that massively. So if you're inside Kajabi and you just want to know how to do something, start typing up in that assistant, and it will suggest help articles for you along with a description of what that article says. So it's really quick and easy to get help about what you want to do. And along with that, we've introduced contextual help. So now the assistant is smart enough to know which page you are on when you invoke it, and it will kind of preemptively suggest some help articles related to the page you're on. So it's all designed to help you be successful and do what you want to do without the fuss. Okay, so those are the assistant improvements. Now we get to the big ones. So this cycle, we have built bulk video uploading. Now, bulk video uploading is just what it sounds, and it's gonna shave so much time off of you building your Kajabi products, because what it allows you to do is take a whole bunch of video files you might have on your computer and just drag them into Kajabi, and then they all upload at once. Now, where do they go? Well, they go inside your product, and a new category is automatically created for that bulk upload. And so each video becomes its own post in that bulk upload. So you can drag over 20 videos, let's say, and then walk away, get some coffee, do whatever you want to do. And when you come back, you've got a nice new category, and you've got 20 new posts inside that category with each of the videos in there. And then now you're free to move those posts around or rename them or whatever. And it's super, super cool. Another little hack for this, if you think about it, is you could kind of architect your entire course on your desktop in your computer, for example, and then do bulk uploads for each category at a time, and then your course is basically done. Inside Kajabi, all you do is rename those categories and then fill in some information on those posts, and your course is already built. It's that easy. So at the end of the forwarder cycle, I'll have another update video letting you know when that bulk uploading will be available, but that's gonna be super, super cool. Last but not least, there's one more feature I want to tell you about. And this isn't really even a feature. This is kind of a whole new way of doing things inside Kajabi. Now, this is very exciting because it's pretty big. It's going to change how you conduct your knowledge commerce business in drastic ways, and it's going to shave off time and it's going to shave off complexity for your business. Last time you'll remember I dropped a hint word, and that hint word was automations. Well, today I want to tell you a little bit more about what you can expect with this forwarder cycle and automations. So we have this new building block inside Kajabi. It's a new section right inside your admin called automations, and you can create as many new automations as you want. So, well, what is an automation? An automation is a way you can string together different building blocks inside Kajabi. So when one thing happens over here in Kajabi, you can make something else happen inside Kajabi, and it's extremely powerful. So I'll give you an example. You can say, I want a new automation, and you can say, when somebody opens a particular email, do this action, and that action might be add a tag. That action might be grant access to a product. That action might be register this person for an event. Okay, so now you can start seeing the power, and there are a lot of triggers and a lot of actions that you can do inside Kajabi. I'll just throw out a couple more. I've got a little cheat sheet. So you can say when an assessment is completed. You can say when a tag is added or removed for a person. You can say when a broadcast is sent or clicked or opened. You can say when an email sequence is completed. Okay, after somebody completes a sequence, then do this other thing with them. When somebody registers for an event, when somebody submits a form, when somebody purchases an offer, when somebody completes a post inside their product. Imagine the power, because when all of these things happen, you can invoke other actions. And so all of a sudden, your mind should be blown at the possibilities. And even us here in Kajabi haven't thought of all the possibilities, the power you can do with this. You can just make your business so much smarter and so much more hands-off for you. And it's really gonna make you more successful. You'll notice here though, at Kajabi, we don't value complexity, we value simplicity, and we want to give you a lot of extreme power, but not at the sake of complexity or confusion inside the app. And so I think with assessments, we've done it right. We've kind of done it in the Kajabi way, where we give you a lot of power, but we didn't give you some screen with this little flow chart where you're dragging things around and you're causing like infinite loops and cycle things that don't work and all this other junk. We don't do that. It's very simple. It's just like, if somebody opens this email, then I want to do this. If somebody completes this post, then I want to do this. It's very, very simple. It's very straightforward. It's very clean and beautiful, but functional and powerful at the same time. So we can't wait to show you the new automations. And that's it for this cycle update. I know this is just midway through. At the end of this cycle, we're going to tell you a little bit more about each of these features, plus a lot of other things that we're working on too. So we're kind of busy around here, so I should probably stop filming this video and get back to work. But I just wanted to let you know what's coming and to try to get you excited for what's going on here at Kajabi. I think there's a lot of potential with Kajabi and for your business, and imagine what your life would be like with even just more success in your knowledge commerce business. And we are here to help. We are in your corner. We want to guide you to that success. And so that's why we're here every day working to make the platform better. So thanks. I'll talk to you next time.